Hello everyone! In today's video, we're making crispy and creamy cheesy chicken pockets. These delicious treats are perfectly crispy on the outside, with a creamy and cheesy chicken filling inside. They're easy to make and absolutely packed with flavor. Watch the full recipe and let me know how they turn out for you. First, take chicken pieces in a bowl. Add 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of kebab powder, salt to taste, 1/2 teaspoon of garam masala. Mix them together. And a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Mix everything well to coat the chicken evenly with the spices. After marinating the chicken, heat some oil in a pan over medium heat. Fry the chicken pieces until they are golden brown and cooked through. Make sure to flip them occasionally for even cooking. Once done, remove them from the pan and set them aside to cool slightly. Let's make the white sauce. Start by heating 1 tablespoon of butter in a pan over low flame. Add 1 tablespoon of flour and sauté gently, ensuring the color doesn't change. Cook until the raw smell disappears. Gradually add 3/4 cup of milk while stirring continuously to avoid lumps. Keep stirring until the mixture reaches a creamy consistency. Once creamy, season it with salt to taste. 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1/2 teaspoon of red chili flakes. Mix them together. And add 1/2 teaspoon of pizza sauce. Add some cheese as your choice, whether it's mozzarella, cheddar. Add 2 tablespoons of chopped capsicum. Cook until the mixture thickens. Once done, add the fried chicken to the sauce and mix them together. Set it aside to cool. Take slices of bread and carefully remove the edges. Save these edges for making breadcrumbs later. Using a rolling pin, flatten each slice of bread evenly. Place a spoonful of chicken filling in the center of the bread. To seal, mix some flour and water to make a glue-like paste. Apply this paste along the edges of the bread, fold it over. And press the sides firmly to ensure the filling is sealed tightly. Let's prepare a slurry to coat the pockets. In a bowl, combine 3 tablespoons of flour, 3 tablespoons of corn flour, a pinch of salt to taste, a 1/4 teaspoon of chili flakes. Mix the dry ingredients well. Gradually add water while stirring to create a smooth, runny slurry with a coating consistency. This slurry will help the pockets get a perfect crispy texture when cooked. Now, take the stuffed bread pockets and dip them into the prepared slurry, ensuring they are evenly coated. Next, roll them in breadcrumbs, pressing gently to make sure the crumbs stick well. This step will give the pockets a perfectly crispy and golden crust when fried. Now it's time to fry the pockets. Heat oil in a pan over medium heat. Gently place the coated bread pockets into the oil and fry them until they turn golden brown and crispy on all sides. Make sure the heat stays medium to ensure even cooking without burning. Once done, remove them and let them cool. The crispy, creamy, cheesy chicken pockets are finally ready. They're irresistibly golden and crispy on the outside, with a rich, creamy, and cheesy filling that's bursting with flavor. These pockets are a perfect snack, appetizer, or even a light meal. Try this recipe and share your feedback in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes.